Finding crop population. Finding the area of property in crop population. This section will put into practice what was learned in the previous two topics about finding the area of a piece of farmland. It will then extend to determine the population of a given crop that can be grown upon that land. Determining crop population. When determining the population of a crop that can be grown on a plot of land, the following need to be known: the total area of the plot of land and the area of land needed for each plant. Earlier, we learned how to determine the area of a plot of land, so now we will see how to determine the amount of land needed for each plant. Then we can calculate how many plants can be grown on a plot of land. Area per plant. There are basically three ways the information needed to determine the area needed for each plant could be provided to you. You could be told that each plant requires 4 square meters. In that case, no calculation is required. Or that each plant requires a spacing of 2 meters by 2 meters. Calculate the area by multiplying 2 meters by 2 meters equals 4 square meters. Or that plants are spaced 1 meter apart in each row and that there is a space of 4 meters between rows. Calculate the area by multiplying 1 meter by 4 meters equals 4 square meters. If the area per plant is given in square centimeters, you will need to convert it to square meters, since that is the unit used for the next step. Use this conversion factor. But we'll have to use it twice since a square centimeter is equal to centimeter times centimeter. So if each plant requires 2,500 square centimeters, we can convert it to square meters by multiplying the conversion factor twice. If spacing distances are given in centimeters, you will need to convert to meters since that is the unit used for the next step. Use this conversion factor. So, if crops are planted 40 centimeters apart in their rows and the rows are 80 centimeters apart, first convert to meters. Then, multiply to find the area per plant. Determining land area. Use the techniques from the prior topic to determine the area of the plot of land to be planted. We can use the example used in that topic now. Determining crop population. The plot of land on the previous slide has an area of 2,100 square meters. Earlier, we found an example in which each plant required 0.32 meters. To determine the population of those plants that can be grown on this plot of land, divide the total area of land by the area needed for each plant.